Welcome to the Sauce and Gravy channel. This is Johnny Mac, the Gravy Guy. It's Saturday, so let me quickly show you how to make an easy and delicious sauce for a weeknight meal. I'm going to show you step by step how to make a homemade hamburger helper from scratch. So skip that box and let me show you how to make it. Round up a high-sided saucepan, crank the burner up to medium to high heat. Once hot, add 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of bacon grease. Once it's melted down, add 1 sweet onion that's been chopped. Sauté the onion for a few minutes, frequently stirring until it's tender and lightly brown around the edges. When you're finished with the onions, move them to the side of the pan, making a well in the center. Round up 1 pound of ground beef, that's roughly 500 grams, and drop it into the center of the pan. Snag your flat-bottom spatula and break the beef up into small bite-sized pieces. Cook the beef through over medium to high heat. Once the beef has just a touch of red left, add 2 cloves of minced garlic. Give it all a good 360 and cook the garlic for roughly about 30 seconds to bring out those delicious aromatic flavors. The next step in the hamburger helper making process, deglazing the pot with white wine, 1/4 cup, 63 milliliters. Your burner, it's over medium heat. Grab a spatula, scrape the sides and bottom of the pan, and reduce the white wine until it's just about gone. Next up to bat, hot smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon. Spank on some black pepper and a dash of salt. Grab your tomato paste and drop in 2 tablespoons or 30 grams. Everything's coming together really quickly. There's just a few ingredients left. But before you add them to the pot, work that tomato paste into all of the ingredients over low to medium heat. For the next step of the process, it's time to add the cooking liquid. 2 cups, roughly 500 milliliters of chicken broth, and 2 cups, approximately 500 milliliters of beef broth. I like to use multiple broths to add additional flavor. You could also use a veggie stock or just all chicken broth or all beef broth. Give it all a quick mix. When it's all nicely mixed together, add 8 ounces or 227 grams of elbow macaroni. Give it a 360, bring it to a light simmer over medium heat, and then cook for roughly 8 to 10 minutes. Make sure to stir frequently to keep all of the ingredients from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Have you ever struggled to make the perfect sauce? Wait no longer. Sauces made simply by the Sauce and Gravy channel chef, Johnny Mac, is a must for your next holiday feast or weeknight meal. Delve into a selection of savory and sweet sauces as well as rich gravy recipes. With easy to follow step-by-step directions and QR codes that will take you straight to the channel's video recipes. You will be able to visualize the sauce making process and improve your sauce making skills while delighting your family and friends. Order now and get your copy today. Links are in the video description and comment section below. Back to the hamburger helper recipe. While it's cooking away, watch the temperature of the pan and the liquid level. If you need to add more broth, go for it. After 8 to 10 minutes, check the macaroni, make sure that it's cooked to your liking. Moving forward, reduce the heat to low to medium and add 3/4 cup or 188 milliliters of heavy cream. Give it all a quick mix to make sure that everything is well combined. I have a feeling that you're beginning to notice that this is turning into a one-pot meal. And you can't beat that for a quick weeknight treat or an easy weekend delight. Round up your cheese and drop it in. I'm using 8 ounces or 227 grams of mild cheddar cheese, white and yellow. And you know what the great thing is about making a homemade hamburger helper, besides it tastes great, is that you can make it how you like it. If you wanted to add a different type of cheese, go for it. It's your own little cheese sauce, so you can make it to your taste. After a quick stir, check it out. It's rich, it's thick, it's delicious. Give it a quick taste to see if you need to adjust the seasoning. Sprinkle on some additional salt and black pepper if necessary. If you'd like to add some additional heat, throw in some hot sauce. Why not? And that is all that there is to it. That's how you make a homemade hamburger helper from scratch. A quick weeknight meal or delicious weekend snack that you can make in under 30 minutes. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Hey, and you know what? If you found this useful, be sure to share it with your friends. They might find it beneficial too. Thank you again for watching, and remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Until next Saturday, keep whisking, y'all.